Alright guys, so we have a test tomorrow, and in order to help us review, we're going to step it up with this next level question. Alright, so it first says to solve for x. If you still need your graphic organizer, please feel free to use that. I'm not going to use one here, but you can always use it. It's the same thing that we're doing. Alright, so our first step is to distribute. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So my 3 goes with my x, and my 3 goes with my 4. Okay, so now I'm going to bring everything down. 3x, 3 times 4 is 12. I didn't touch that in minus 2 yet, so I'm going to bring that down, and I didn't touch that 16 yet, so I'm going to bring that down also. Okay, our next part is to combine like terms. So I look for my like terms, and I see a 12 and a 2. And when I combine those, 12 take away 2 gets me 10. Everything else I'm going to bring down. I'm going to bring down my 3x. I'm going to bring down my 16. Alright, and now we have our regular two-step equation part. So now we're going to go ahead and solve. So I'm going to use my inverse. And the first thing I'm trying to get rid of is what's furthest away from that x. So I'm trying to get rid of this 10 first. It's a positive 10, so I do minus 10. Bring down my 3x. 16 take away 10 is 6. And the next thing I'm trying to get rid of is this 3. How do I get rid of that 3? We divide. And I'm left with x equals 2. Okay? Okay, so let's review our steps. So first we did distribution, then we combined like terms, and then we solved the rest using inverse operations. Okay, so Debbie solved the same equation as us and made a mistake. Okay, so we want to find her mistake. So let's take a look here. Alright, so what did she do first? In line 1, she added 2 to both sides. Now, we like to distribute first, but that's not wrong because it was a minus 2 and she did plus 2, so that's okay. 16 plus 2 is 18, that's right. Okay, then she brought this down. Let's look at line 2. Looks like she's distributing here. And when she's distributing, we have 3 times x, that's good. And then she's supposed to do 3 times 4, but what happens? Uh-oh, I think we just found her mistake. Okay, so what happened in line 2? Let's look at our distribution. This is our distribution up here that I'm highlighting in yellow. And hers is here. What did she forget? Okay, good. So she forgot to distribute it looks like she started to, but then didn't do the whole thing. Okay, so can you find the mistake? Yeah, we found the mistake. She made an error in between line 2 and line 3. So line 2 is her mistake. Okay, and then it wants us to explain. We already started to do that. So when Debbie distributed she forgot to put the 3 with both terms. So Debbie got 3x plus 4, but she should have gotten 3 times x plus 3 times 4. Remember, distribution needs to go with both things. Okay, so use this to help you study, but most importantly, you want to make sure you're really studying the review that we did in class today. All right, good luck tomorrow.